Judah, are you going to put Polar Bear in the basket? What are you going to put the basket over Polar Bear? Oh. Oh, you want to get in the basket. I see. Very, very clever, holding onto the table. What are you reading? What are you reading? Oh, you got Polar Bear. That's so nice, sweetie. Are you going to give Polar Bear a big kiss? Are you going to give Polar Bear a big kiss? No, he's been evicted. Back inside. Oh, that's so sweet, sweetie. Are you going to give him a kiss? Are you reading to Polar Bear? Hi, sweetie pie. That's some fancy footwork, Judah. Whoa. That was a little bit of a brute move. That's nice. You're inside with Polar Bear. That's very nice.